Hey, how you doing? It's Friends, this ice cream, Serendipity. Historically they've made some pretty crap ice creams, but they've got an agreement with a TV production company, movie production company to make some famous flavours related to film and TV. Goonies one they've done, we'll deal with that another time, and there's some others that they are doing that haven't come out yet, so when they come out we'll have a look at those as well. But today is all about Friends. The Friends reunion came out last week, everyone's rushing to see it, we're also rushing to see it. Let's look at what it is. It's a coffee ice cream with fudge swirl and dark chocolate covered almonds. All sounds pretty simple. Let's just get stuck in and make it. We're going to make a custard base this time, but instead of tempering eggs in the traditional way, we're just going to heat them all up into the pan up to 82 degrees centigrade, 82, 85 degrees, something like that. Add your milk, cream and sugar and finally your eggs and get them up to that temperature gently. Then add your coffee powder, give it a good stir to dissolve. Finally turn the heat off and add your vanilla extract. I'm actually making some of my own at the moment, so watch this space in a year to 18 months. When it coats the back of a spoon, sling it in a container and chill it in the fridge for 4 hours. The fudge is my Dairymilk Fudge, so melt your chocolate and butter in a microwave and whisk your egg and sugar together. Combine all of this and it's ready to go. Just pop it in a container in the fridge. It won't pour straight from the fridge, so you might want to heat up just a little bit if you want to pour it in. When your ice cream is ready to churn, get it in and prepare your nuts. Chop them however you want and put them aside. I've left some large and small pieces here. Then finally, load it all into your container and don't skimp on the fudge and nuts. Freeze it for a few hours until you're ready to eat it. The ice cream's been in the freezer for quite a while now, 24 hours-ish. We're going to get some out into the bowl and see what it looks like. So it scoops really well. I mean, you smell the coffee coming out of it. It's really strong. I mean, I have made this pretty strong coffee-wise, and that's something that someone did review online. They said that the coffee flavour was really weak and pathetic, and there wasn't really much of a fudge swirl in there. So I guess if you're trying to make a big comeback after not doing particularly well with your ice creams, go bold. You know, put the whole lot in. Make a statement about it. I mean, you're using Friends as the main kind of tag for your ice cream, so make it a good one, you know? That is really good. That's amazing, even if I do say so myself. Coffee ice cream, whew, you're gonna get a rush from that. There's some serious caffeine in there. The fudge swirl, I use this fudge swirl a lot. It's a Dairymilk fudge swirl, so it's got a really good taste to it. Soft, scoopable, doesn't go hard in the freezer. Dark chocolate covered almonds. They're not like, you know, bullets like a lot of chocolate is. Just a nice bit of crunch. Overall, it's a real winning combination. But it is surprisingly easy to make. Coffee ice cream, you can make it however you like. Some people soak the beans, some people use instant like I have here. Use whatever you want. Custard base, Philly style, doesn't make any difference. Just make a good coffee ice cream, put some of those dark chocolate covered almonds in, add in your fudge swirl, get it in a container, go for it. It's a really good combination of flavours. I'm gonna eat this whole thing and maybe some more. I hope you enjoyed this one, nice and simple. Thanks for watching, I hope you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.